Hi everybody, I was gifted a footstool for your desk. Let's put it together. Step one, you pop all of the wheels on, they just snap in. Step two, you put the center part in, and then you put the 3 cones on top just like that. You screw on this round part, make sure that you match up front with front, and then you pop this on top and you are finished. Yes, this is a footstool, but I love it because it can double as a second chair when someone is in your office to talk with you. So easy to use. You get a full spin. The wheels are a dream. Really nice, soft but firm cushion on here. Side lever to make it lower or higher. And what's great is this fits right under your desk so you can put your feet up.
This thing is amazing. I love that you have those 360-degree smooth rolling wheels so you can just glide effortlessly under your desk and around your workspace. This is so versatile. It's a footrest, it's an ottoman, it can be an extra chair. You can use it for relaxing or for working. The assembly is so quick and you have that super durable metal base plus that soft cushion for all day comfort. It's high density padding. You are going to feel supported and relaxed all at the same time. It's so customizable. Details are in the links below. Check it out. You're going to love it.